So found a little cave, not that big, but let's check it out. It's kind of narrow inside. As you can see, yeah, just a little stone corridor, but nice. This has to be one of the most scenic swings in the world. Let's climb through this. Yeah, looks so nice, man. Trusting my life on this tree. Let's go. Hope my phone doesn't fall. Let's go. Just a chill spot in the middle of the woods. Yeah, I'm quite in the middle of nowhere. I have been walking for a couple of hours now. Still about halfway on what my original goals were, but the route itself is pretty scenic. Like, look at this, man, the entire city, I guess. I want to climb everything. I just don't have enough time for it. I saw that tower on the internet and now I have just accidentally found it, man. Nah, it's straight up slippery. I'm trying, man. Like, look. I found some houses nearby, as well as this kind of water reservoir. Finally, this fence goes for like kilometers, and then as I was losing hope, I find this, man. A way in. this is all like restricted territory, but I'm gonna try my luck. Now this place is giving me a kind of a weird feeling. There are some buildings, like of them, newer buildings down the hill, and I've seen like one little shack like this. Looks actually inhabited, but there was no one in the moment, thankfully, so it's kind of weird. My original plan was to head through the main road, but now I've noticed that on Google Maps it's like completely guarded, because it's like a condo of houses, really, for like millionaires, and it's huge. So, on my way back, I found these abandoned like vans and cars. At least I wasn't struck by lightning. I don't know, are they stolen? Why are they here? Look at this. It's a tiny trailer. Sad to see it like this, to be honest. Of course it doesn't work. I want to live in one of these someday. Just traveling the world. A little fridge. Box. I don't know what that is. Some car stuff. Guess I'm gonna take shelter from this rain here for now. It's the best option I got. Right now I'm inside some kind of ruins that belong to a farm and have become some sort of airsoft spot as well. A lot of broken stuff here.